So hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be sharing with you my honest review on a Carotone lotion. I know a lot of you have used this product before, and this is a product that's lightening the skin, it brightens the skin, it glows the skin, and also it nourishes the skin as well. But in this video I will be sharing with you the ingredients that I use to formulate this lotion, the type of skin types or people who are supposed to use this lotion, and also the role it plays on the skin and the side effects of this lotion. Beautiful people, my name is Adam and welcome to Latini Skincare. You know, this is a skincare channel where we share our reviews, our testimony, our tips on all skincare products. So if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime we drop a video here, you will be able to receive a notification from us. And if you are a return subscriber, you are warmly welcome again. And I'm so happy you have returned to this channel. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you so much for the support. Okay, so let's divert into the topic of today. You know, this lotion called Carotone Lotion is a product from Abidjan, all right? It's a lightening product. It glows the skin. It brings out your natural glow. It treats spots on the skin, okay? But today, I will be sharing with you my honest review on this product and how you are supposed to use this product and also the side effects of this product. You know, this lotion is not really recommended for all skin type, okay? It's not recommended for everybody. So I am here to share with you the tips. In fact, I will be digging deep into this lotion to share with you guys so that you can also grab it and know how to use it. So beautiful people, if this sounds like something you really love to hear more, please stay with me. I will be back for more. So as I said it earlier on, this lotion is from Abidjan, okay, and it's really formulated to brighten the skin, to glow the skin, to nourish the skin, to moisturize the skin, and to also lighten the skin as well. And you know, this lotion, it comes in a set, okay. We have the cake soap, we have the shower gel, we have the facial cream, we have the cleanser, we have the lotion, and we have the facial cream in a form of a tube, okay. The ingredient that I use to formulate this lotion, they are really made out from natural extract, okay, or natural ingredients like carrots, pawpaw, vitamin E, vitamin C, citric acid, AHA, a petroleum gel, and also other natural ingredients. Now, the as I said it earlier on, that it's not really recommended for all skin type. You know, we have the sensitive skin, we have the oily skin, we have the dry skin, we have a combination skin as well. And please, if you are a dark skin person, I will advise you to stay away from this lotion because this lotion contains hydroquine, okay, and it's really lighting or it's brightening the skin, and it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. Actually, oily skin can use it as well, but not consistently, okay. And also a dry skin can use it to nourish the skin, to moisturize the skin, and also to brighten the skin as well. A combination skin can also use it, okay. So if you are a dark skin person and you want to use this lotion, actually you need to get an oil to mix it with a cream to bring the hydroquine down to use on the skin so that you wouldn't end up having dark knuckles, stretch marks, green veins on the skin. It's not really advisable for a dark skin to use it, okay. Now The role it plays on the skin is that it brings out your natural glow. Okay, the ingredients that I use to formulate this lotion helps to bring out your natural glow. It nourishes the skin, it makes the skin smooth, it makes the skin soft, and also it's lighting the skin as well. We have the facial cream and we have the cake soap. The facial cream is very good to treat dark spots on the skin, but one thing I've noticed about the facial cream is that when you expose your face under the sun, it gives this kind of sunburn or dark under eye on the face. Okay, so it's not really recommended for a sensitive skin person to use the facial cream. Okay, and moreover, if you want to use the facial cream to treat dark spot, or maybe you want it to brighten your face, or you want it to glow your face, you have to use it at night. Do not use the facial cream to expose yourself under the sun. You end up destroying your face. Actually, the shower gel is also good. The shower gel also brightens the skin, it exfoliates the skin, it makes the skin smooth, and also it helps to remove dead skin cells on the skin. Okay, the shower gel smells very nice. It has this kind of carrot fragrance in it. It's very good for brightening the skin, for lightening the skin, for glowing the skin as well. And the cleanser is also very good, but the cleanser is very strong. I wouldn't lie to you guys, the cleanser is very strong. So if you have a sensitive skin, stay away from the cleanser because it's going to damage your skin. And moreover, when you use it on your face, you feel this kind of burns on your face. Okay, so if you are a sensitive person, don't use the cleanser on your face. All right, the cake soap itself, a dark skinned person can use the cake soap simply because it's not something you are applying on the skin to keep long on the skin. All right, it's something you are using on the skin, then after on you wash it off. So if you are a dark skinned person and maybe you want to brighten your skin, you want to lighten your skin, you can get the cake soap and use it. It's a very mild cream or a very mild lotion. Don't use the cake soap with a whitening product or a product that involve hydroquin. Okay, the cake soap glows the skin, it removes dead skin cell, it brings out your natural glow, it brightens the skin, it also clears dark spots on the skin. It's very good. Actually, I said it earlier on that if you are a dark skin person, don't attempt to use this particular lotion. Okay, it involves hydroquin. So if you are dark like this skin type, you will destroy the skin. It will end up leaving stretch marks on the skin, green veins on the skin, dark knuckles on the skin, and also you will not get even tone skin. Okay, you end up having uneven tone. It will really destroy the skin. So if you are dark like this lady, do not use a Carotone lotion, and don't even attempt buying the set because you will destroy your skin completely. Okay, but if you have a caramel skin like this lady and maybe you want to brighten up a bit, you can get this lotion, get the cake soap, and get a very mild oil like smooth diamond oil, bio oil, recovery oil, or any nice oil to mix it with it, use on the skin to brighten the skin. Okay, but don't use the lotion alone directly on the skin. Because of the hydroquin inside, you will end up having white dots and green veins on the skin. Sometimes you even have stretch marks on the skin. Okay, so if you have a caramel skin tone and you want to brighten up the skin or lighten up the skin, you need to add this product that I mentioned above, or you can get any nice product, mix it with it and use on the skin. Okay, and if you are a fair skin person, like you have this kind of lighter skin tone and you want to be extra fairer, you can use this Carotone lotion, but don't use it alone. Okay, don't use it alone. Always get a very nice oil, mix it with it and use. And this is how the lotion looks like in the bottle. This is how it is. Okay, a beautiful young lady is drawn on it, and we have the smaller size and we have the bigger size. Okay, so I have the smaller size in my hand here. You know, we have the fake one and then the original one. Please, if you don't know and you go in for the fake one, wahala for you, you will damage your skin. So make sure you get the original one, and this is how it is inside the container. Actually, when if you apply it on your skin, you don't feel any burns on the skin. Okay, it really makes the skin very smooth, and it nourishes the skin. It smells, it smells some way, it smells like onion or something like that. You know, any product that contain hydroquin, it has a different scent on its own. It smells like onion. So anytime you want to buy a product and you smell it and you notice it involves you notice it smells like onion, then you have to know that there is something called hydroquin inside. So this is how it is. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is how the texture is. It looks very creamy. Okay, and we have the cream itself. We have the cream itself like this one, but this is how the lotion is. So don't use the lotion alone. Okay, don't use it. You know, a product, any product from Abidjan really bleaches the skin. Okay, it's lightening the skin very very fast. Okay, so you can use it, but don't use it alone. Mix it with an oil, a very nice oil. If you get a very nice oil and you use it with this lotion, trust me, you are going to glow, you are going to shine, you are going to brighten your skin, and it wouldn't leave any dark knuckles on your skin, any white dots, white patches, or even dark spots, even stretch marks. It wouldn't leave any of this problem on your skin. It's going to naturally glow your skin, but don't use it during the daytime. Me, I don't really advise people to use their brightening lotion or lightening lotion during the daytime. Use it at night. Massage it on the skin very well. Let it go deep inside the skin. Then after that, you jump off on your bed, then you sleep. You know, during the night, you don't do anything. You only rest yourself. You rest the mind, you rest the body, and you are cool to go. But during the daytime, you'll be going up and down, jumping here and there, going to the office, walking on the sun, going to the market, like picking the kids from school, those kind of up and downs. When you use this kind of lotions and you expose the body under the sun, you will damage the skin, you will destroy the skin. In fact, you wouldn't be happy with your skin. Okay, this Carotone lotion, it's good. Okay, it brightens the skin, it clears the skin. I've seen on the container that sun protection. My people, don't try using it exposing yourself under the sun. It does not have anything inside called a sunscreen or skin protection. Okay, if you expose your body raw under the sun, you have sunburn all over your skin, you will damage the skin. So even though some of the things or some of the instruction are being written on it, but be critical careful when you are using this lotion. The side effect of this lotion is that it gives dark knuckles. Trust me, if you use the lotion raw, it will give you dark knuckles like something like this. Also, it gives stretch marks. It gives stretch marks because of the hydroquin and the other raw materials that were used to produce this lotion. If you use the lotion raw, you end up having stretch marks on the skin. It gives green veins, and the green veins, not the small one, no, the big ones. Okay, so it also gives white dots on the skin. When you use the lotion alone, it will end up leaving white dots on the skin. It also gives dark spot on the skin. So if you are a sensitive person, just stay away from Carotone lotion. Okay, don't attempt using it. You see, There are products that may work for somebody but might not work for you. So if you see your fellow friend using Carotone and it's working on her very well, so you want to try it and see if it will work for you. If you are a sensitive skin type and you use Carotone lotion, it will destroy your skin. It will damage your skin. You will not be even happy with your skin, okay? And moreover, when you have issue with your skin, you end up wasting money to repair the skin back again. So for you not to be going up and down looking for skincare products to repair your skin, just stay away from this lotion if you have a sensitive skin. It's a combination skin. A normal skin person can use it, but don't use it alone. Mix it with an oil, a very nice oil, and use. It's very good for lightening the skin. It's very good for brightening the skin. It's very good for toning the skin. And also its facial cream, the cake soap, are also good to clear dark spots on the skin. And the shower gel is also very good for lightening the skin. But don't use the shower gel consistently if you are a sensitive skin person or an oily skin person. It will end up leaving green veins on your skin. So if you have ever used Carotone lotion before or Carotone product on itself before, you can leave a comment under a video for us to see. So this is how it is. You can give it a try, or if you have ever used it, you can let us know. Share your testimony with us, okay? So please, if you have not subscribed to Latini skincare channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime a video is being shared here, you would be able to receive a notification from us. I'll be leaving you here. I'll be bringing you more tips on skincare products. I love you all and stay blessed. Bye bye.